The joy of traveling to Cape Cod is capturing its breathtaking landscapes, where golden light dances across pristine beaches and historic lighthouses as silent sentinels against the vast Atlantic. There's something special about photographing on the Cape, a simple yet fulfilling experience of just being there. Hi, I'm Mark Houde. We'd love to have you join us for our 2025 Spring Cape Cod Photography Workshop. Experience and photograph blue hour and golden hour, sunrises and sunsets on the Cape's beaches and dunes. Test your skills after sunset and learn new techniques for shooting night photography. And when the light is too harsh, learn new techniques for post-processing your images during our classroom time. Visit my website to learn more and to register, but don't wait too long, as slots tend to fill quickly. Hope to see you then.